وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वकफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहि अल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद फ़ऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलिहि व सहाबिहि व सल्लम। My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. As you know, our topic is continued for a few days. The concept of happiness in Islam. In this regard, part 4 will be described now. Very closely allied to courage is the remarkable quality of forbearance and patience. Only the brave can bear patiently the hardship of life. To smile at least at their achievements, wait and watch is the watchword of success. Hurry and nervousness results as failure and sorrow. To be patient and tolerant, it to be happy at last. Love the cream of life, if kept off from impurities and doubts, such as self-interest and self-gratification, and sublimated from the low lust to a high sense of the admiration of beauty, and dignified by the spirit of self-sacrifice. As in the case of mother, is sure to embrace happiness. Hatred, on the other hand, besets life with a good many distractions, such as prejudice, disruption, disunion, and enmity. Love begets love. To breathe in the atmosphere of love is to be at home and happy. All stages of life, from infancy to old age, point out so clearly that love in a modified form takes over the charge of every stage and blesses it likewise with a new form of happiness. Cultivating love in your nature, you can cultivate happiness. You can cultivate happiness in your life. Love all and be happy always. Happiness has no identity of its own apart from other mental phenomena. It is rather a byproduct of knowing, willing activity, or the feeling tone of the combined activity, or passively you feel either happy or unhappy. It is almost impossible to be without any feeling. You are being happy or unhappy depends on the attitude you have adopted toward the work you have in hand. It is a sort of imposition against your will. You are unhappy, and on the other hand, if you have taken it up voluntarily to do it with keen interest, you are happy as you are busy in it, and even afterwards. The more skill you show in your job, the happier you are. To be more precise, where there is excellence, there is happiness. Aim to excellence. Happiness will come of itself. You will enjoy your work. If you do it excellently, happiness is the fruit of good labor. To be industrious is to be happy. The great price which work pays is not money, but happiness. Catch the work by the 4 lakh. Happiness is at your feet. Occupy your mind with your work and keep the devil off. Sentiments in reality constitute what we call life. Good sentiments make a good life. So the cultivation of good sentiment is essential to enjoy the lasting peace and happiness. The great psychologist William James says, character is the bundle of habit. Similarly, life is the bundle of sentiments. So, in this regard, part 5 will be described on another lecture. Almighty Allah make us such as happy person as teaching of Islam teach us. Almighty Allah, all of us Muslim bless. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.